And I really love the markings that this particular brush does. It's quite thick. And I'm picturing myself as I create this. I'm in my head, I haven't got a plan in place. I'm just letting it flow. So this is the acrylic part. Ooh, she really likes circles. I've noticed even with the other one that had more of it was a different brush, but I was still going circly. So I'm kind of going to go with that theme. Pop that down. This is liquid watercolour. And it's sepia. That bottle, that little drop didn't want to drop. I'm just going to spray it a bit. Interesting colours. Now, I'm really going to wait for that to dry.